and right hand side, you know 3x is equal to 15 is a linear equation. Now, and the middle of the left hand side and right hand side, you will see that the is equal to sign will be here. Is equal to sign will be here. It means this is a equation. Equation is make a word with a equal. It means the the value of 3x, the value of 3x is equal to the value of 15. Value of 3x is equal to value of 15. But now we are talking about, this is equation, and what is the linear equation? So you have to understood about a linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variable involved is one. Equation contain two unknown, namely x and y. So that is a linear equation. It means in equation the highest power of the literal means is the x y z like that. The highest power of a literal will be one, not more than one. Okay, so these types of equations we call linear equation. Okay, linear equation. Clear now. How can we solve the linear equation? So suppose this is a linear equation, 3x is equal to 15. 3x is equal to 15. Now, children, equation means that this value, it means LHS value and RHS value are equal. It should be equal. Yes. So what the value will be x? What value will be x?
One.
Then the LHS and RHS value will be equal. Come on.
The value of x will be 5, as if we want to solve the x, we must be into
Very good.
15.
Because 3 is multiply with x. When we put the value of 1, so this LHS value is a 3 into 1 3, and here is 15 is not equal to 15. So this x value of 1, x is equal to 1, is not satisfied this linear equation. When we put the value of 2 is here, so 3 into 2 6 is not is equal to 15. When the value of put the value of 3, so 3 into 3 9, 4, 3 into 4 12. When we put the value of 5, x value of 5, so 3 into 5 15, and 15 is equal to 15. It means in linear equation, x value of x of 15 is fully satisfied this equation. Okay, and these method is called trial and error method. What? Trial and error method, like that. This is trial and error method. This is called trial and error method. Clear, bacha? Okay. So how can we solve by this? How can we solve by the trial error method this equation? So first try with 3x, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So put the value x is equal to 1. It will be 3 into 1 is equal to 15. No,
No,
3 is
3.
not equal to 15. It means is not equal to. So cut it like this. It means this read is 3 is not equal to 15. Clear? When we put the value of x is equal to 2, value of x is equal to 2 like that. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2
6.
is equal to 15, then 6 is equal to 15 is not equal to 15. It means LHS and RHS not equal. So so like this, you put the value of 3, then put the value of 4 is not equal to 15. And when we put value of x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 in this equation, so children, you will see 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and 3 into 5 LHS is a 15, RHS is a 15. Okay, so 15 is equal to 15. It means stop the putting the value of x. your answer, you got it. 15 is equal to 15. This equation 3x is equal to 5 is fully satisfied with the value of x, that is 5. 3 into 5, so 15. Correct, beta? Any doubt?
No, sir.
It is. The question of 9th A first, 5 times a number equal 40. So what the number? So first, number, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, 5 times a number. 5 times a number. It means the number is x. So 5 times of a number means 5 into x. It means 5x. 5 times a number means 5 into x, 5x. Equal 40. It means equal 40. So that is the answer. Clear? I repeat the second question. X increased by 8 is 15. So x increase means we have to add 8. X plus 8 is equal to 15. And here you see third question, 25 exceeds a number by 7. Exceed, it means 25 is greater than this number. So we have to put the value 25 minus x to make a statement is equal to 7. It is important. Okay.
So I can't understand how can we write 25 minus x is equal to 7.
It will be exceed. It will be exceed. So we have to write this. Yeah. Or you also write it like that. X plus 7 is equal to 25. You also write it. This is also correct. X plus 7 is 25. Okay. But you write this time 25 minus x is equal to 7. Clear, bacha?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next is fourth. A number exceeds 5 by 3. Come on. A number.
So 5 minus x
Sir,
equals to 3.
Yes. No,
minus 5.
again आप confuse हो गए. Again.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, x minus 5 is equals to 3.
Yes. That time read it. A number exceed means जो number हमने माना है वो big है, वो minus होगा. It means x minus 5 is equal to a number exceeds 5 by 3. It means 3. So that is the answer. Okay. Fifth question is 5 subtracted from thrice a number is 16. 5 subtracted from thrice a number. So let the number be x. So thrice a number 3x. Thrice a number 3x. And 5 subtracted from thrice a number. So first we will write thrice a number 3x. 5 subtracted from thrice a number means 3x minus 5 is equal to 16. So that is the answer. 3x minus 5 is equal to 16.
X minus 5 is equals to. अरे किसने किया है यार?
3x minus 5. Now we are doing question number 2. Question number 2 or page number 140 is a write a statement for each of the equation given below. Write a statement for each of the equation given below. Just opposite of the first question. Here equation are there and you have to make the statement. So first question is that x minus 7 is equal to 14. Now make the statement. Come on. Nobody will cheat from the book. Okay. Now write it.
The mental.
Now again, this is x minus 7 is equal to 14. And we have to make the statement from the equation. 7 is subtracted from x. So x is a initial first side. So we take 7 is subtracted from x is 14. Okay. Now, so this is a first question. Okay. Now the second question, 2y is equal to 18. So that is answer will be twice a number, twice, 2 into y means twice a number. Twice a number is 18. And you also write is equal to 18. Okay. Okay. Here 11 plus 3x is equal to 17. 11 is added to thrice a number. It will multiply. So you write thrice a number. 11 is added to thrice a number is 17. Okay. And you can write is your own. Okay. Doesn't matter. But in the copy should be same. Okay. Copy में सबका same होना चाहिए. Okay. Now twice a number divide by 3 is 8. Twice a number divide by 3 is 8. Twice a number divide by 3 is 8.